Hello, welcome to Cook with Lavanya, and a lot of you asked me to show South Indian chicken curries, and I thought I will share this one with you. This is a very quick chicken curry, and I usually make it when I'm really hungry and craving for something quick. I'm gonna quickly show you what goes into making a coconut chicken curry, South Indian style. 600 grams of chicken, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 inch of cinnamon, 10 peppercorns, 2 cardamoms, 5 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, some coriander leaves, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 2 slit green chilies, finely chopped onion, half cup coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can use any other oil, but make sure to have ghee in it. You can marinate the chicken if you want. Like I told you, I usually end up making this when I'm craving for something quick and chicken. So that's why I haven't marinated. I'm just going to show you a very basic curry recipe here. So once your pan's hot, add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once that's hot enough, we will add in our kada masalas. I'm just going to peel the cardamoms before I add in. Next, add in your ginger and garlic. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Add in your onions. Add a bit of salt to fasten the cooking process. Once your onions turn golden brown, add in your chicken. Add in the chicken. Once you add in your chicken, cover this up and let it cook for about 5 minutes before we add in any of the other ingredients. And keep it on medium-high. It's about 5 minutes. Now we start adding our other ingredients. First goes the turmeric, coriander powder, chili powder, tamarind juice. Give all this a good mix. Once we add all this, we will add in our coconut milk. You can add fresh coconut milk, or there is coconut milk also available in the market. So whichever is easier for you, just go ahead and add half cup of it. There are also coconut powders that are available in the market, and you can use that as well. If you're using powder, use about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder for half cup of water. And let this slowly cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not add water at this point of time. It does not require, because we have coconut milk and also the chicken is going to leave a lot of water. So just cook it on low to medium flame. So it's about 15 minutes, and let's see how it has come out. I am not kidding, but the aromas coming out of this, I really want to dive into it. So now I am going to add in the curry leaves. I did not add this in the oil, or because when you add it to the gravy directly, it has much stronger flavor, and it kind of feels different. It just tastes better, I feel. Add half of the coriander leaf, and rest half I've left it for garnish. Check for salt. It needs just a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to let the flavor of curry leaves infuse in this for about 5 more minutes, and after that we will start plating it. To know whether the chicken is cooked or not, so I just take a piece of chicken which has bone. This chicken piece, put it under cold water because it's very hot, and pinch it to see if it's cooked. And if it's not pink inside and it has nice white color and it's soft and juicy, it means your chicken is cooked. So that's a little tip that my mom passed on to me. And at the last stage, I'm going to add in the slit chilies. You see, we didn't even require any water, but if you still want more gravy, you can add in water. Also, if you do not have tamarind available, just add some tomatoes, about 2 medium-sized tomatoes for about half kilo of chicken. I like to pair South Indian curries basically with just some plain rice. So guys, there we have it, my absolutely burst of flavor chicken curry. And when there is coconuts and curry leaves, it has to be pretty much South Indian. Oh my god. Such subtle flavors and so beautifully comes together. Believe me, when you use coconut milk, it just makes the dish so rich and it has such distinct flavor. The chicken has cooked perfectly. You will not be disappointed, I promise.